What's going on, guys? We about to check out Killdoze, man. Go and check out his music too as well. But he just dropped something that might be a diss to Adam Calhoun, man. I think it's a response to the diss that Adam Calhoun just did about Upchurch. Trash. Let's take a look, man. Hit the like button. Share the video as well. And also, if you want access to my live streams, see all the moments that you miss, sign up for my channel memberships. And if you want to hear my music, check the link in the description.
We're going to check this new diss track out. Shit, it's supposed to be hard.
You will not tarnish my name. I'm a warrior in a garden.
You might want to stick to gardening, fool.
So stick to gardening. How's you doing trying to whap? Not with this shit.
Nice little quote, though. What the fuck you know about that? I'm country rapping, say yeah. What the fuck you know about that? I'm on Kawada pen.
Oh, snap.
Liable to kill my rival while I smile. Swear to God, hand on Bible. Fuck a judge in a trial. Come at me with reason logical.
What is he talking about?
Me not being who I say I am.
What the hell is Adam talking about? Diabolical, Zalakafalakabala.
That's just impossible. Men that talk the most shit, a bitch. That's probable. And if you want
What the fuck?
that's honorable. Yeah.
What the fuck is this shit?
Body shot, lower kidney, headshot, drop him. He be asking why the
This shit is garbage. It's what it is. Because yes, the meat cleaver probably wrote it.
Lord hit me. Couple punches.
God, this beat could be done right.
Got it out the mud for real. Need to get your dirt up. This burner up and hot.
Not with Adam. Get your dirt up is crazy. He said, get your dirt up. The hell is Adam talking about? What does that even mean? What does get your dirt up mean? Get your dirt up? No.
Get your dirt up. Motherfuckers assaulted some people.
Always talking shit, but he do not fight.
Bitch, I ran a trap house. You slept on the couch. You that type of motherfucker I gave dope to watch the fucking spot while I fucking rolled out. Come on, get your dirt up. Record.
Word. Yo, that's hilarious though.
Recording fucking assaults in potential assaults in Walmart. But talking about a damn wiretap.
John, we talking mad gangster shit, but he over there trying to be the Walmart gangster. This dude sucks. Adam is trash, man.
They ain't no fucking wiretap anyway, motherfucker.
No, that's a head scratch. And say when I'm active, I say less, I'm action. I preach what I practice. You just lying in your captions. I'm praying for my brother, really hope he comes back. Instead of peeking.
I hope he comes back. This nigga says all this crazy shit. But I'm praying for my brother. Please come back to me, brother. I got golden nuggets. Nigga, shut up about your damn golden nugget. Can't about your damn golden nugget. It's crazy. I said we Walmart ready. Facts though. Facts. We are Walmart ready.
Smoking crack, I'm saying picking at scabs that fester, taking pictures with molesters. He was never convicted. Whatever, you a wire wearing informant. We talk, you record it. God forbid we go against the law.
What is this? Reach like a motherfucker, man.
What you really know about that?
Beautiful.
Yeah, Adam sucks. This is one of the worst songs I ever heard. It's one of the worst songs I ever heard. It's truly trash, bro. This is garbage. It's ass. It's blatantly ass.
This is pitiful. Yeah. What the fuck you know about that? I'm doing rapping. What the fuck, yo? This shit is crazy to watch, man. These motherfuckers talking about a motherfucker smoking crack. And goddamn, what? This is a fucking fall off right here. These motherfuckers falling the fuck off, man.
Dead ass though. This is a fall off with that trash ass song. That garbage ass song. Too many dog bears. This is what happens when you have too many dog bears, bro. That's what happens. You had too many dog bears. You started just losing it. And now you different. Now you different. Over there with them dog bears, man. Started to make you do some false allegations. This shit is crazy. Niggas told you never go full Katie, man. You never go full Katie. But if you add him, I guess you go full Katie. All right. Let's check out the next topic.